What's going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chucky! I didn't say.
Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys are having a great day so far. Got a wild one. Out of Bothell. Now, this defendant, he fires his attorney and then he tries to fire the judge. What could possibly go wrong? There's also a lot of yelling. Anyways, before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
Yes.
This is the Baxley matter. This is cause number 4A0553620 on for arraignment. It's an allegation of theft in the third degree. I did have an opportunity to speak with Mr. Baxley. I do have some concerns and have requested and uploaded for the court to sign a 1077 evaluation. I believe Ms. Greenwood had an opportunity to review that as well.
What is 1077 evaluation?
It means to have you evaluated by an individual from Western State Hospital, Mr. Baxley.
So you're my attorney and you're trying to get me held here. I would like to have her fired. And I also would like to ask Judge, you're automatically out of there, chick. I'd rather represent myself. She's already tried to have me held here before in the case. Look, I'm a person of interest from. I'm okay, no worries. I would like to ask the judge, have you ever heard of me or formed an opinion of me before?
I'm sorry, Mr. Baxley, I have not.
You have never heard of me. How long have you been a judge here in Bothell?
I've been a judge in Bothell since December of 2019.
You would have heard of me then.
I may have seen you, but I don't know that you have made enough of an impression for me to remember. Perhaps that has to do with
You've never carried a conversation with another individual about me.
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay. What would the basis look? I had a lot of trouble while I was while I was living in Woodinville, and also here in the Bothell area. I was homeless, and they didn't like it, and I'm continually having to go through these trials and what have you because of these things that happen. I'm 55 years old, and I was never on these opiates. I got on these opiates, with the help of these people. Actually, oppression is involved, and I would like to talk to a federal investigator too. And I just would like to end it there. I would be more clear because I just can't. I feel like I'm going to get nowhere here. I would, if you would. They've tried to kill me. They've done. You can't imagine the things they've done to me. The people on College Lake that I used to work for up there. And I would like to have a federal investigator made for me because I believe I'm going to get nothing done through anyone in King County. If you would, please, ma'am. And if you.
Mr. Baxley, I'm gonna be really clear with you. I don't have any authority to tell the federal government or any
I am telling you that I believe I am being oppressed. As
understand what you're saying,
you have a right.
I don't have the authority. I don't have the authority. No one has given me that power. Whoops, you've been muted because I think they're worried you're getting a little too hot here. So what I'm going to do, because there is a concern has been raised, I'm going to go ahead and sign the order that there be a competency evaluation done, because I think that is appropriate. And I'm going to indicate that you will be held. It'll be done at the Snohomish County Jail. That way it can be done as quickly as possible. And by the way, I have reviewed the request for court-appointed counsel, and I do appoint counsel. Understanding, Mr. Baxley, that you've indicated you want Ms. Pimentel removed, I will address that at the next hearing after we've had the competency evaluation done. Okay?
Okay. When will my next court date be?
I'm going to set that here in just a moment.
Thank you.
So.
As soon as possible, because it just hold me up on simple charges. Again, all this is caused by some other people. Do you understand?
Okay.
The hardships that's been placed on me by other people you can look at my record. I haven't been in any trouble in over 25 years before this stuff happened in Woodinville and Bothell. Okay. And that's what you telling me I'm mentally ill and I got to have another mental evaluation because of what these people I am mentally ill. There's no question about it because of what they've done to me. But I am competent to say yes or no if I'm guilty or not guilty. Okay. So
That's what I need. I need to have someone to do that evaluation so that I can be sure that you can assist in your own
can
defense.
assist. I would waive that right, actually.
You can't waive that right.
Yeah, you can't waive the right to assist in your own defense. Yeah, you can't do that. All right. There's only about a minute this left. It gets better. It gets better in the last minute, but I'm not going to pause it again. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Please hit that like button if you haven't already. Yeah, this one was just short. All right, until next time. Bye.
Unfortunately. So
Okay.
over 2 weeks, do we think we can get the evaluation done in that amount of time in custody?
Yes, they've been pretty consistent lately with that.
Why does she keep talking to me for it? She should not have anything to do with me. Is she my attorney?
She's your attorney. She's
I
your
do not
attorney at
want
this
her to
point.
represent me for anything. She's already tried to hold me in jail.
Mr. Baxley, what I'm told you is I want the evaluation done, and then I'll address that at the next hearing.
I do not want her representing me.
I'm not gonna fire her at your request.
I'm firing her. I won't say another word to the court until she's fired.
All right.
Well, I want another judge. I want another judge. You're fired, as a matter of fact. I want another judge.
All right. Well, we'll have you evaluated, and we'll have you back.
I want another judge. I won't speak to you either. I got a right to have another judge.
I'll see you. You'll be back in this court on September 5th at 9:30. All right.